What's up, man? Y'all, Austria Down South Custom Wheels. Behind us, we have a 2026 Toyota Tacoma SR to be exact. Now, we're going to do a 1.5-inch ready lift level kit on it, along with these 18-inch KMC wheels and a 285/65 18-inch Toyo AT3. Stay with us and watch us record this the whole way through. All right, y'all, so check it out. Victor right now is in the process of installing that 1.5-inch ready lift level kit. Give it about another hour or so, you should have this complete, and then we'll be back with the wheels and tires to see what that looks like. All right, y'all, so Reggie is now mounting this Toyo AT3 and a 285/65 on this KMC 18-inch wheel. It's a matte black. It's gonna look right on there. Stay tuned, y'all. All right, y'all. Reggie just installed the wheels and tires. She's mounting them up right now. KMC's 18s, Toyo Open Country AT3s on this Toyota Tacoma. It's almost done, y'all. It ain't taking us too long. All right, now, y'all. So we're back. We're about to install these Weston Nerf bars. These should be going on about 45 minutes to an hour. Victor's gonna get this knocked out. We'll be back. You'll see the transformation here shortly. All right, now behind us is the finished product for that 2026 Toyota Tacoma SR. We did the 1.5-inch ready lift kit, 18-inch KMC wheels, 285/65 Toyo Open Country AT3s, and we also did the Nerf bars. If you like that setup, come see us out in Humble or give us a call at 281-987-9500.